Alright kid, let's tackle another one of those dashboard mysteries. You're driving along, minding your own business, and suddenly a light pops up. Check AWD system. Maybe the car feels fine, maybe it doesn't, but that little message can spook a lot of drivers. Don't worry, we've been down this road 100 times, and we'll walk you through it. By the end, you'll understand what the light means, why it shows up, and what you should do about it without breaking into a sweat. It's the Car Problems YouTube channel. Subscribe and let's get started. What does the Check AWD System Light mean? Think of that light as your car's way of tapping you on the shoulder. The AWD system, short for all-wheel drive, sends power to all four wheels when needed, giving you more grip in rain, snow, or even on gravel. It works with sensors, a computer, and mechanical parts like the transfer case, differentials, and sometimes a clutch pack. When the computer detects something isn't right, whether it's electrical, sensor-related, or mechanical, it flips that warning on. It doesn't always mean the whole system is dead. Sometimes it's just a hiccup, like a sensor reading out of range, but it's your car's way of saying, "Hey, check me out before things get worse." Symptoms you might notice. That warning light might be the only clue you get, but sometimes it comes with company. If the AWD system isn't happy, you may notice your traction control light popping on too. The car might feel like it slips more on wet or icy roads, or it might default to two-wheel drive. In some cases, you'll feel vibrations when accelerating, especially if the rear differential or drive shaft isn't working right. On other occasions, you might hear a whining or clunking noise from underneath. And if the system shuts itself down completely, you'll notice you're not getting that extra grip when you really need it. So, while sometimes it's just a light, other times you'll feel the car acting differently. That's your hint the system really needs attention. Common causes of the AWD warning light. Now let's pop the hood, figuratively speaking, and look at why this light comes on. One of the most common reasons is a bad wheel speed sensor. The AWD system needs to know how fast each wheel is spinning, and if one sensor fails, the computer gets confused. Low or dirty differential fluid is another culprit. The front and rear differentials need clean fluid to keep the gears happy. If the fluid is old, low, or burnt, it can trigger warnings. The transfer case, which splits power between front and rear, can also act up. If its fluid is bad or the internal parts are worn, you'll often see that light come on. Then you've got the electronic side. Wiring issues, loose connectors, or even a glitch in the control module can all set the light off. In newer cars, it doesn't take much. A momentary signal drop can wake up that warning message. And don't forget tires. Believe it or not, running mismatched tires, different sizes, or even one that's much more worn than the others can upset the AWD system. The computer sees one wheel spinning faster than the others and thinks something's wrong. How to fix it? Alright, here's where the rubber meets the road. First things first, don't panic. The car isn't going to explode because the light came on. But don't ignore it either, because small problems can snowball if you keep driving for months. Step 1 is always to scan the system with a diagnostic tool. That'll give you error codes pointing toward the exact issue, whether it's a sensor, a fluid problem, or something mechanical. Many auto parts stores will scan it for free. If it's a wheel speed sensor, that's usually a straightforward fix. A new sensor and some time with a wrench, and you're back on the road. If the fluid's low or dirty, a drain and refill of the differential or transfer case might clear it up. Always use the fluid type recommended by the manufacturer. This isn't the place to experiment. If it's electronic, sometimes just cleaning connectors or reseating a plug will do the trick. Other times, a module might need reprogramming at the dealer. And if it's tires causing the issue, the solution is as simple as making sure all four match in size, brand, and tread depth. AWD systems are picky like that. Worst case, if the transfer case or differential has internal damage, you're looking at a bigger repair. But most of the time, the light is triggered by something smaller, like a sensor or fluid issue. Wrap up. So newbie, here's the bottom line. The Check AWD System Light is your car's way of telling you something in the all-wheel drive setup needs attention. Sometimes it's just a sensor acting up, sometimes it's fluids or tires, and sometimes it's a bigger mechanical issue. The smart move is to get it scanned, figure out the root cause, and fix it before you're stuck spinning your wheels in a snowstorm. Keep your fluids fresh, your tires matched, and your sensors in good shape, and you'll keep that AWD system doing what it does best, keeping you in control when the road gets slippery. Take it from us, that little light is more friend than foe. Pay attention to it early, and you'll save yourself headaches, cash, and maybe even a tow truck bill down the line.